Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to trigonometry class. This class will discuss sign of trigonometry angles in each quadrant. When it is point shifting from first quadrant to second quadrant, what happens? Second quadrant to third quadrant to fourth quadrant. Every quadrant will see the sign of the trigonometry angle. I mean to say sign of sine theta, sign of cos theta, sign of tan theta. What happens when jump to the different quadrant with proof. Now you will first consider one simple circle. I'll connect every concept with this method only. Okay, this is my O, this is my A, this is B, C and D. This is 0, pi by 2, okay, this is pi, 3 pi by 2. Am I right? Now what I do is I'll consider any one point, consider 30 degrees for your convenient. That 30 degrees is my theta. Okay, this is my P and I drop a perpendicular, that is my M, and we know this will be point, will be coordinate, will be both positive because that is lies in the first quadrant. Everyone was clear till now? Okay, if it is x is positive, y is positive, then we could directly say point lying in the first quadrant, and all the angles, sign of the angles, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec, cosec, cot, everything is positive. This much we are very clear. This is x, this is y. Am I right? Now I'll draw one point in second quadrant such that pi plus 90, pi plus theta, that is 30 degree again. This is 30 degree. Okay, theta is 30 degree. So my whole angle is, now this is 90 plus 30. Or pi by 2 plus theta. Am I right? I'll consider this is P dash. I'll drop a perpendicular. Okay, this is my M dash. Now interesting factor. Okay, when POA, P dash OA, how much? 90 plus theta. Am I right? Everyone agree? So what is my CO P dash? Angle CO P dash, it should be 90 minus theta. If I add these two, how much I'll get? 180. So total angle is 180. Am I right? So this angle is 90 plus theta and this angle is 90 minus theta. Okay, that means COP dash. This much very clear. So whatever angle this makes here, so that will be same in the second quadrants. Now this is basic idea. Now if you see, I given this is plus x and this plus y. I'll give P dash point as minus capital X and capital Y. You should not confuse. I'll consider this is capital, this is small letters. Okay, so that it will be easy. Now consider a triangle. Consider a triangle. What are the two triangles? In first quadrant one triangle, that is OPM, and second quadrant, that is OP dash M dash. Both are similar. Am I right? If you draw with the 30 degree in construction at your home in your pen and paper, you can see this is 90, this is 90, M is angle M is 90, angle M dash is 90. This is theta. Obviously P, angle P will be 90, this is plus theta, so this should be 90 minus theta, am I right? Because total interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Similarly, this is 90, this is 90 minus theta, this should be theta. Again interior angle will be 180 degree. So this OM will be equal to, that is small x, that will be equal to your P dash M dash. P dash M dash in second quadrant. What is this? This is capital Y, this is capital minus x, y, agree? So this will be equal to capital Y. Similarly, my PM will be y, small y, that will be equal to this OM dash, that will be equal to minus x. So this is most important things, because this is a similar triangles you got. Now consider this angle, Okay, so sine 90 plus theta. When I create 90 plus theta, I am getting this line, and this will be equal to this angle. So this, how do you define? That is P dash M dash, opposite side by hypotenuse. That is O P dash. What is my P dash M dash? That is capital Y by R. What is my capital Y? That is equal to small x in the first quadrant. That is small x by R. What is small x by R in the first quadrant? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent by hypotenuse? That will be cos theta. So this is most important result. Sine of 90 plus theta will give cos theta. Hope everyone agreed. Now we will see one more angle so that you will get a clarity. Cos of 90 plus theta. With this respect to what is cos of 90 plus theta? Base by hypotenuse. Am I right? What is base? That is O M dash by O P dash. What is base? Minus capital X by R. What is capital X minus X? That will be equal to small y in the first quadrant. Y by R. So minus sign I will write as it is. Okay. Cos of 90 plus theta. So it is minus y by R. Y by R. Okay. That is sin theta. Take minus sign always outside, because that is a sign of x direction. Okay, remember. So minus sin theta. So sin cos of 90 plus theta will give minus sin theta. Similarly, tan 90 plus theta. What is tan 90 plus theta in this quadrant? Adjacent side by or opposite side by adjacent. That means P dash M dash divided by O M dash. P dash M dash is y by minus x. Minus I will take outside, capital Y by x. What is capital Y by x? Y equal to small x by x by y. Capital X equal to small x. Am I right? So x by y is what? It will be cot theta. So minus cot theta. Is it clear? Adjacent side by opposite is minus cot theta. So one important observation, two important observation you could see with this result. Whatever the sign, it will be positive. Sine become cos, cos becomes sine. Okay, we got co-functions. First observation, sine of 90 plus theta. Sine become changes to cos, cos theta. Cos of 90 plus theta become sine theta. That is the first observation. Tan become cot. Okay, we call this is co-functions. Okay. Second observation, only for sine we got positive. Rest everything we got negative. So only sine angle is positive in second quadrant. This result we got in the previous class also. Now we got a proof how exactly it will be. So there are two important things. Sine of 90 plus theta. Sine become cos, cos become sine, tan become cot. Sec become cosec, tan become cot. Okay. Second observation, sine angle will be positive. That means sine of 90 plus theta is positive. Similarly, cosec of 90 plus theta is positive. Rest everything will be negative. That we are seen in the second class itself. So if you consider here, all angles will be positive. Here sine is positive, here tan is positive, here cos is positive. So we are connected with the simple line, all student take coffee. Same result we got here. Sine angle will be positive. Okay, sine become positive, so cosec also positive. Rest everything will be negative. This is a wonderful things, wonderful result, output. Okay, and proof I gave one. Okay, Now your job is just remember these 2 points. Sine 90 plus theta will give cofunction. Second point, only sine will give positive. Okay, rest everything will be negative. So this is a 2 observation. So once you remember this, you can do it for again second quadrant, third quadrant. Okay, and I connect this result in other way how to define rest of the angle. Example I will give. First I will write a result. Okay, I mean to say sine 90 plus theta equal to cos theta. Cos 90 plus theta equal to sin theta. Similarly, tan 90 plus theta equal to, this is minus cot theta. Okay, so rest other 2 you have to remember. Okay, now either I can say 90 plus theta, second quadrant, one more way, pi minus theta, am I right? So, sine 90 plus theta, or I could say sine 180 minus theta. Now think about this, okay, sine 180 minus theta. How I can write 180 minus theta? Can I write like this? Sine 90 plus 90 minus theta. 90 plus 90 is 180. So I'll consider this is alpha. So sine 90 plus alpha. What is sine 90 plus alpha? You consider, connect to this sine 90 plus theta is cos theta. So sine 90 plus alpha is cos alpha. Am I right? Now replace cos alpha with 90 plus minus theta. So cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta. What you will get? So it will be cos 90 minus theta. It is in first quadrant. First quadrant, everything is positive. Cos become sine theta. So in case of sine 180 minus theta, it will be equal to sine of theta. Now we can do it for same way everything. Okay, cos 90 minus theta, sorry 180 minus theta, like that. Okay, so now consider one simple example. Okay, so I'll say 120 degree. How do I say? Sine 90 plus 30. Am I right? I can say 90 plus 30. What is sine 90 plus 30? Cos 30. What is cos 30? Cos 30. Cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. Am I right? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. You are supposed to remember. Now, same thing I could define. How I can define? Sine 180 minus 60. Am I right? That's what I am trying to say. 180 minus 60. 90 plus theta I said. I got root 3 by 2. Now 180 minus theta. 180 minus 60 also 120. Am I right? So sine of 180 minus theta. Sine of 180 minus theta. Sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. Sine 60. What is sine 60? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Both answer is same. Hope you got what I am trying to explain. Okay. So this way you got a second result. Okay. Once you got this result, what is observation? For 180 minus theta, sine become sine, function become same, function become function. For anything 180 minus theta, sin become sin, cos become cos, tan become tan. Okay. Second point, sin will be positive as we got for 90 plus theta. Sin angle is positive. Rest everything is negative. If you want, you can see one example. Cos 180 minus theta. What I can say? Cos 180, cos 90 plus 90 minus theta. This I'll consider alpha. That is cos 90 plus alpha. What is cos 90 plus theta? It will be minus sin alpha. Minus sin alpha replaced by 90 minus theta. Minus sin 90 minus theta. It will be, what happens? Sin become cos theta. So cos 180 minus, cos become cos, function become same function, cos become cos. But cos of 180 minus theta in second quadrant, it will be lie in the second quadrant. So in second quadrant, only sin is positive, rest all. This is cos will become negative. So this is how, this is one method how to prove. Previously we decided we got that with the quadrant sign. We made it sure that all students take coffee. Second quadrant, whatever the lies point, it will be negative except sign. Okay. This is the two important things, observation you should remember for 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, 180 minus theta. So first quadrant over, second quadrant over. This much you digest. We'll see rest two quadrant and its proof in the next session. Hope you understood the idea how to prove. Okay, just try to memorize all the things what you studied till now, and it really help for rest of your trigonometry classes. Wish you all the best, wish you all the success. Thank you very much.